Hello guys, this is your top leader, Coach Mustafa, the top earner of X365 with one of the fastest growing team. Oh, look, the team is exploding. But let me show you something. I've already earned now 4 million tokens from this airdrop. Now I'm participating in this video. I'm going to show you how to withdraw your earning from the affiliate income. My affiliate income within just few hours, I've seen some income that has dropped in. You can see I've earned like more than $163. I'm going to show you how exactly to withdraw this amount of money. Whatever money that you are having, those who are wondering where this money comes from, is that anyone who is joining your team, who is buying this pre-sale under your team. Pre-sale starts with as low as $25 and as high as $10,000. Whoever is buying this coin at a pre-sale round one or whatever round, you'll be collecting money, you'll be collecting dollars. As I showed you, these dollars are withdrawn instantly in your wallet. I will show you here before I go to the withdraw to my income here. You can see I've been collecting money from different people. You can see my income here. From different people I've been doing. Money has been dropping. As you can see right here. Money has been dropping from all these people. You can see money has been dropping, ladies and gentlemen. All this income came in. So I want to show you how to withdraw this money. Those who have activated the affiliate earning. For your information, to start earning this money, all you have to do is to buy the pre-sale of at least minimum $50, not $50, not $25. $50 will activate to start earning from your people from the on your first level. More to that, inbox me. I will be able to explain more. So I'll go straight now to the affiliate earning. Go to affiliate earning, then go to what we call stats. Then after there, come to what we call withdraw. The moment you go to withdraw, you put the amount 163. Okay. Then from there you have to use BIP20 white address, BIP20 white address, which is USDT. So go to your back end. This is my Binance. I click add fund on chain. I'm withdrawing USDT that I want on this chain. Let's do everything together here. BIP20 is this one. I'll copy the address here, and then I come and paste it here. As you can see it here, I paste my BIP20 wallet address. From there, I click send. The moment I click send, they have sent me to verify the email so that they know I'm the owner of that money. You can see they have sent me the one-time password. I copy it, then go paste it there. Then after that, just click withdraw, verify the withdraw, boom, and within just a few minutes, you're gonna see the money landing on my Binance. Money will be landing on my Binance. I'll show you everything here. Now you can see the money has been removed from my withdraw wallet. Now I'll go and check my guys. The money has arrived. Wow, you can see the money has arrived. The money has arrived here in my Binance account. So this is how you withdraw money from X365.ai. So your earning goes direct to your wallet immediately. The moment you press the button, it goes immediately. So that's the withdraw that just came in. So it works, ladies and gentlemen. So don't leave this money on the table. Participate with this money. I've just earned it in few hours. So that's how you withdraw. Just go where there's your affiliate earning and withdraw your income. It will go directly to your wallet immediately in less than a minute. When I'm still recording this video, I already received my money. Thank you for watching.